So we are live, right? So hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome to Unacademy. Welcome to the session. This is your Shankar Sir here. So welcome to Unacademy and our Triatric channel. So now we are with one of the topper who made it possible in both GATE and ESE in this year 2022. So let's talk with our topper who made it in GATE 2022 with AIR 20 and in ESE 2022 with AIR 105 and exceptional and impeccable records in both, and that too by doing job while going to a company, while working in a company. He made all these things which are impeccable, guys, and highly inspiration source for you people, guys. So Sai, welcome to the session and hearty congratulations from my side, and all the best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
Sai, can you introduce yourself to our learners?
Okay, sir, sure.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Sai Reddy, sir. I was born and brought up in Tenali of Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from BNIT Nagpur. After that, I have joined Coal India Limited and I'm currently working there, sir.
Okay, fine. So when you joined in Coal India?
Sir, 2017.
Oh, 2017. So you are working from almost 3-4 years. You have enough experience also. Right, fine.
Yes, sir, 5 years.
5 years of enough experience you will be having. And why suddenly, why you felt that you need to give this GATE exam and ESE examinations? Is there any motivation regarding this?
Sir, actually, I am not interested in giving GATE examination, but I have given GATE examination this year only to test about how I stand in the competition. My major focus was only engineering services examination, sir.
So ठीक है, engineering preparation पे already GATE syllabus तो सब set है ना, इसलिए एक बार exam पे attempt देके he has checked himself whether he is able to do it, but that made it in the top 20. Okay, so when you started this ESE preparation positively? When you started?
Sir, actually, in my final year of campus only, sir, I have got my job through campus placement. And as it is my first job, sir, I have thought of making justice to the job, and I am completely immersed in my job for the next couple of years. But after working in the Coal India for the couple of years, I have realized that engineering services job is much more diversified as compared to this PSU job, sir. So then I have started preparing for engineering services, and positively I have started preparing from 2019.
Okay, fine. So 2020 also you have given any earlier attempts and you made anything like up to mains interview or some previous attempts?
Yes, sir. Actually, 2020 I have given exams. Sir, I have cleared prelims and I have made up to mains, but I was unable to clear mains in the last attempt. But this time I was able to successfully clear the examination.
Okay, fine, great. So this is in 2021, right? Yeah, 2021.
Yeah, 2021, sir.
ESE 2021. So first time you made up to the prelims, yes, next time you made in the top 10 directly. So you expected this. I think 2-3 days back we met, and then you told us, sir, I have given the interview and I'm expecting a positive result. But have you expected this in the top 10? You expected this in the top?
Actually, I am not. Top 10 is an unexpected for me, sir. But I expected that I will be in the final list with my prelims, mains, and my interview. All the things I think that those went well. But top 10 is unexpected for me, sir.
You got the scorecard other than the result?
No, sir. Scorecard is not yet being released.
Not yet released, right? Okay, fine. So how many marks you are expecting from prelims, mains? Any expected marks of your?
Sir, I think around expected 280 to 290 I'm expecting in prelims, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Mains, how many you have attempted?
Mains, sir, I have attempted around in the paper 1 I have attempted around 240 marks, and in the paper 2 also around 240 marks I have attempted, sir. Approximately 480 marks I have attempted.
Around 80% you have given that. Fine. Okay. So here coming to ESE journey, the problem here with ESE is the syllabus is really vast. Many number of new subjects other than this, like advanced electronics, many subjects we have seen. Okay. So how you felt, how you deal with these new subjects? Have you covered these subjects comprehensively, or you covered in a way such that it is helpful for your exam? Any suggestion for our students who are aiming for ESE regarding these subjects specifically?
Sir, actually regarding the specific subjects are like advanced electronics and these computer fundamental subjects. I have not completely prepared very well in these subjects, sir, but I have gone through the Unacademy. Sir, Siddhartha Sabharwal sir has taken a computer organization like fundamentals lecture, sir. I have watched the Siddhartha Sabharwal sir's lecture.
Okay.
And for advanced electronics, sir, I have watched VSR Suresh sir's some lectures.
Okay.
And in that way, I have only confined my preparation to basic level only, sir. I have not gone depth in those topics because I don't want to waste time in those topics. And I have focused on mainly on my strength area in the examinations.
Okay. VSR sir have taken, I think, communications, advanced communication, satellite communication, and all. I think.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, great. And so, if they follow lectures, it is enough for the advanced subjects. I mean, the subjects which are added newly, and the remaining subjects anyway, we need to go to the depth required.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Any particular special preparation you made for mains, or it is almost same as GATE, or like you need to follow the steps in the answer writing skills and all those things? Do you made anything, something specific in the mains?
Sir, actually, GATE is in GATE we does not make a proper presentation of the answer, sir. We actually try to use the shortcuts and we try to get the answer. But in the engineering services mains, we have to do proper presentation to us to get the full marks, sir. So during my first failure in the engineering service mains exam, after my first failure, I have realized in 2020 where I have done the mistakes. And I got to know that my mains answer writing skill is not up to the mark, and also I was weak in some subjects. And also my general studies is also not up to the mark. And next year I have focused on this area, sir. For general studies, I have mainly focused on Saurabh Kumar Pandey, sir. He has by following his lectures, sir, I was able to perform very well in the general studies in the this year examination. And also for the mains, I have mains. Unacademy has provided free mains classes, sir. You have taken the digital electronics and microprocessors. I watched reverse, and Aditya Kanwal sir has taken networks and controls, and I also followed the Aditya Kanwal sir. Both are very beneficial for me in my examination, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, got it. I think in Unacademy Flux you are saying we took that. Maybe.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, fine, got it. Right. So one more thing. Suppose regarding so this point, my dear students, आपको note करना चाहिए जैसा 2020 में तो attempt दिया, फिर 2021 में AIR 5 से वापस आया. So if he has prepared in the same way what he has done in 2020, or he has taken as a negative source of motivation for his preparation, he may not be able to make it. But he has taken positively and he identified his mistakes. हमारा weakness आपने identify किया तो whether it is a GATE exam or ESE exam, कोई भी exam आप prepare करते हैं, आपका weakness आप identify किया तो definitely you will be able to succeed, my dear students. ये बहुत बहुत important. जो लोग वापस attempt देना चाहिए 2022 पे गलत किया, 23 पे आप वापस attempt करके you want to show yourself, आप लोग compulsory ये point आप मत नोट करना चाहिए, आप कहाँ पे मिस किया इस साल पे, नेक्स्ट ईयर क्या करना टू ओवरकम दिस, एंड हाउ यू मैनेज द थिंग्स. मेरा डाउट तो ये है, तुम यू आर वर्किंग आई थिंक 10 to 5 or 9 to 5 you are going to office, okay, and what kind of
my working hours are right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So how you manage your job and preparation? This is very important question because many students who watching are waiting for this question because वो लोग भी ये difficulty face कर रहे हैं. Job जाने समय भी preparation कैसा complete करना? Can you tell me? Can you elaborate on that? Yeah.
Okay. Sir, actually, I have some basic. My basic was clear in my electrical engineering, sir. So actually, I have focused mainly on the gray areas of the topics where I was not unable to understand well. So, I have focused identified my weak areas, and I have watched the videos through Unacademy Creatrix channel, and I have strengthened in those topics. And also for general studies was my major weak portion, sir. And Saurabh Kumar by following Saurabh Kumar Pandey sir and NL Sharma sir, I was able to strengthen up the part also. And it has helped me a lot in my preparation. And regarding coming to the time management scheme, sir, actually my office working hours are from almost 8:30 in the morning to 6 p.m. in the evening. So I do not use it to get a very large time to study, sir. But whatever the time that was available, I used to make a daily schedule, sir. Generally, I used to study up to 4 hours per day. In the morning, I used to wake up at around 5 a.m., sir. And from 5 to 7, I used to study in the morning. And in the evening, after coming from office, and after freshening up, and I used to study from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the evening. And I used to go to bed by 10:30. So daily, I used to study 4 hours. And in the week of days, sir, I used to study maximum 8. I used to spend 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours in the week of day.
Okay, so utilized after the office time and also holidays time in a proper way. This is what many toppers says, guys. वो तो उनका time अच्छे से utilize करना. Don't worry about the time which is not available for you. आप तो time you cannot make it the time. आपका पास जो time है ना इसको अच्छे से utilize करना चाहिए. This is the first important point that what makes is Air 5 in this year, guys. So आपके पास जो टाइम है ना वो टाइम पे कंसिस्टेंसी आई थिंक ही मेड इट एवरी सिंगल डे दैट इज व्हाट इज द रीजन फॉर हिज सक्सेस एंड ही हैज नोटेड एवरी सिंगल थिंग मेरा शेड्यूल ये है आज ये करना चाहिए those people who make a proper timetable they will definitely succeed proper timetable बनाने के बाद फॉलो भी करना चाहिए ऐसा नहीं मैं आज टाइम टेबल बनेगा कल नया टाइम टेबल बनाना चाहिए ऐसा नहीं you should make your own timetable and follow it properly definitely you will be succeeding undoubtedly this is one of the main input you can take even you can take this as a source of inspiration for those who are aiming for gate with the college going also college goers के लिए job goers के लिए this point is important for you guys and okay Sai then how you refresh बीच में you need some sort of what we call refresh in your brain or you need to what we call sometimes you need to go out or whatever you how you pass your free time.
Yes, sir. Actually, during the preparation, there are lots of ups and downs, and also there used to be some office pressures will also be there in my curriculum, sir, in my timing. So if I feel very low on some days, I used to go out for a walk or jog. I used to go for a run, and also I used to watch some movie if I am not getting interest to study. So that in that way, I used to manage and I used to refresh something. But I used to limit the time of watching. Even if I watch a movie, I used to watch only one movie. I does not go on being watching a web series or something like that. So that it will kill us the time.
तो guys एक पॉइंट में भी ऐड करना चाहिए जैसा आप प्रिपरेशन पे कोई समय पे आपने ऐसा फील किया लो हो रहे अरे यार मेरे आज प्रिपरेशन का मूड नहीं ठीक है थोड़ा सा ब्रेक ले लो you can do some you can go to a movie but जैसा आप YouTube ओपन करना चाहिए कोई भी ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म ओपन करके मूवी देखना चाहिए तो पहले फिक्स द मूवी नेम एंड ओपन इट नहीं है तो क्या होता है आप रैंडमली सर्च करना चाहिए तो एक मूवी ओपन करेगा थोड़ा सा वॉच करने के बाद दूसरा मूवी पे आएगा इसके बाद थर्ड मूवी पे जाएगा ऐसा नहीं you should have some proper schedule to refresh and come back Sai do you keep any weekly targets or monthly targets you kept anything like that during your preparation.
Sir, actually, I used to keep my weekly target. Sir, I used to take one subject at a time, and I used to make a target that I need to complete at least half of the syllabus by in 1 week. In that way, I used to complete it, sir. And after completing every subject, sir, I used to give the test topic subject wise test of the subject, and after noting the what mistakes I have done in the test series, and I used to go for the next subject.
Okay, great. So, do you suggest they need to follow any standard textbooks or lectures are more than enough for their preparation for your ESE examination के लिए?
Sir, actually, I have not followed any textbooks, sir, because I does not get that much time to study the textbook also. I have followed, actually, even for writing the notes also, sir, watching a video and writing the notes is also a big thing for me. And in that case, Unacademy is helpful in a lot. As Unacademy directly provide the PDFs of the class notes. And yours digital class notes is also excellent, sir. And Ankit Goyal sir's machines and power electronics course, those are structured in a beautiful way, sir. And we can easily understand the topics by taking the revision of the notes. We can easily cover it easily, sir.
Thank you. So job goers के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम मैनेजमेंट तो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके पास इतना टाइम नहीं यू कैन रीड एवरी सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक्स नोट्स बनाने के लिए जो टाइम आपके पास नहीं है ना आपके लिए अनअकैडमी तो मैनेज किया बहुत थिंग्स आपके क्लास के बाद आपको नोट्स मिल रहे हैं एंड वी आर आल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग सम पीडीएफ्स जैसा अभी तो earlier we used to give in WhatsApp group now they kept this option in app itself we can add the practice questions or any material which we can share with the students so that they can learn directly. So one thing I felt very happy is okay you followed my digital and you said about my notes that okay I get this particular message from many students I'm happy for that but main thing I was very happy with you is regarding the classes you told for the mains because while taking those classes I felt literally bad like anything क्योंकि इतना एफर्ट करके YouTube पे क्लास ले रहा है बहुत कम स्टूडेंट्स आया उस वाला लाइव पे but somehow with dedication we completed that particular course means का classes हम जो ले लिया ना बहुत कम बच्चा आया then we completed that.
Yes, sir.
So today we see the result okay some student at least if you someone utilized that and able to get the rank this makes us more and more happy Okay, so how you feel with Unacademy? So for job going people or college going people, are those who not reside in the top tier one cities, those who are residing in the remote areas, उन लोगों के लिए how you feel Unacademy is doing something different, or how it is going to help for the students? Your personal experience you can share.
Okay. Sir, as far as my personal experience is concerned, sir, I work in Coal India Limited and my posting is in remote locations, sir. We live far away from city and we work in places that are remote. And so taking offline coaching is not at all feasible for any of our working professionals in working in this company. So we have to mainly source on online coaching. And for online coaching, sir, one of my friend has advised me about Unacademy. Then I have also joined Unacademy, sir. And joining Unacademy, I've seen that the user interface is very better in Unacademy, sir, as compared to any other platform. There is a very seamless user interface, and also the delay that is associated in the videos that is very minimal, sir. And also the system is also very video clarity and the quality of the lectures are all very great in Unacademy, sir.
Okay, so you feel more comfortable here. So any other particular points you feel, have you interacted with any students who are preparing with you or some groups?
Sir, also I would like to take one point. I would also like to thank Unacademy, sir. Actually, Unacademy has organized a mock interview for ESE section also, sir. After the rebel of the mains result, they have organized the mock interview with almost the IAS delegate in the
Yes,
panel.
yes.
There are IAS
Some
members.
top panel is associated with it. Yes.
Very top reputed people are associated, and almost they have conducted the interview and they have asked the questions which are almost in similar with the final interview questions, sir. Most like they have covered all the areas, so it is also very beneficial for me. And they have also given a positive feedback, sir, constructive feedback, and I was able to do constructive feedback they have given me, and I was able to improve on that feedback also, and it has also helped me during my interview preparation.
Great, great. Yes, and I think you told that for general studies you follow NLN Sharma Sir classes also, right? So many students.
NLN Sharma and Saurav Kumar Pandey, sir, both have.
Saurav Kumar Pandey sir and NLN Sharma sir, दोनों का classes तो follow किया. Many students who prepare for ESC they feel more difficult with the mainly with the general studies. I also personally I went to ESC interview. उस समय पे भी interview तो सही से किया, सभी सही से किया, but general studies I am not able to make it. So in the margin of 5-6 marks में तो छोड़ दिया. उसके बाद में तो attempt भी नहीं किया because of केवल general studies. इसमें 10-20% marks भी नहीं आया. So guys, I suggest you personally, आप at that time मेरा पास इतना maturity तो नहीं है. I love only technical subjects, but I don't love the general studies and all. ऐसा तो नहीं है भाई. आपको कोई marks आएंगे तो you get 1 mark from any subject. It is equally important. आप कोई भी subject से general studies से आया और core technical tough subject से 1 mark आया, that affect your rank equally. So आपके पास ESC prepare करने के लिए कुछ plan है तो give equal importance for general studies है तो also daily ज्यादा time तो नहीं, कम से कम आधा घंटे आप ESC general studies को भी दे दो, then it will be over a period of time what happens is you will be able to you will not feel that something strange. जैसा last month में बैटिंग करके last month में मैं पूरा general studies रिवाइज करेगा, पहले technical पे concentrate करता हूँ, ऐसा मत सोचना. So do you feel that the ESC preparation really helps for GATE preparation? Or do you feel that GATE preparation will help for ESC, or both are helpful to each other?
Sir, actually, GATE preparation both are helpful for each other, I would like to say, sir. But as I have given ESC conventional, sir, and giving ESC conventional is very beneficial to GATE exam, I feel, sir, because the standard of the question ESC conventional is almost in line with the GATE examination, and in some cases it is also in higher standard as compared to GATE examination. So with as compared to prelims, you cannot compare GATE with pre-ESC prelims examination, sir. Prelim standard is somewhat less, but main standard we can compare with GATE examination.
Okay, got it. And one more thing I want to ask you. Regarding your PYQs, have you solved all the PYQs of both ESC mains and of both the branches?
No, sir, I did not get that much time to solve both the branches, but I have confined myself to electrical engineering, and I was able to look for solve all the PYQs of electrical engineering.
How many years, ka? I mean, last 20 years, last 10 years, last.
I think I have purchased a books of PYQ. Last 20 years, I was able to
do it. Fine, fine. So, right. So you are aiming for which particular, I mean, category? I mean, you have central power engineering, different ops. What is your first priority for this in ESE? I think you have filled that DAF form already.
Yes, sir. My first preference was I have given it to Central Power Engineering Services, sir.
Okay, great. And second, third.
Second, I have given to Central Electrical and Mechanical Engineering Services, and third, I
Okay.
have given to Naval Armament Services.
Great. I hope you may be getting the first one only. Hopefully, if you get it, I feel.
Yeah, yes, sir. Actually, there are 7 seats for general candidate in the first post, so most
Then
probably I will be
hopefully,
getting first post.
then there will not be any issue. You will be getting it fine, right? So,
Yes,
how
sir.
is your experience in Coal India? I mean, what sort of many people are aiming for PSUs also, na? So let them know about the nature of work you will be doing at Coal India. So, what's your position right now? You are working as an engineer or manager or a GET, some graduate engineer, something. What's your position and what sort of work you do every single day?
Sir, actually, in the Coal India Limited, we are designated as managers, not as an engineers, and the
Okay.
work that we do is also mostly managerial type of work as compared to the technical work. And so we will be having a managerial type of growth as compared to the technical growth, sir. That is the one point that I would like to tell while working in Coal India Limited. But
Yeah.
it gives us a very good experience, sir. We can have a better manpower management. We can learn a good manpower management skills by working with this company, and it
Okay.
will be helpful in our future also.
Okay. Then who will be dealing with this technical part? Suppose if engineers are doing the managerial part, I just want to ask, will there be any diploma people who
Sir,
will?
actually, the technical part will also be there, but there is one separate subsidiary which completely deals with the technical things, and we also deal with the technical things, but not to that extent, sir. Like the things I have realized later that the things that are the technical skills, the things that are dealt with in engineering services are much greater as compared to my current PSU job. Because in
Okay.
PSU, we limit only to a particular area of technical growth, sir. Like compared, I will be in my present nature of the work, I look after coal handling plants, sir. In that, the electrical, the technical things are only about 2 or 3 induction motors are there, and some fire handling system is there, sir. So
Okay.
my career, most of my career will be going in dealing only with these things. Whereas in
Okay.
engineering services, I can learn a diversified type of work nature, sir. I can learn from generation to distribution, utilization, and policies. I can learn about the various policies, electricity regulatory commission. So the
Okay.
job is much more diversified, and the techno managerial role is a better blend in engineering services.
Okay. Okay. This is the main motivation behind your preparation for this ESC examination, I feel, right? So how
Yes, sir.
about the? I hope you have given this information. You have informed to your parents yesterday, and what about their feeling after hearing about this great result? You made it in the top five. Probably in your city, you are the first person to do it, I feel. So, can you tell me your parents
Yeah,
feeling right now? First of all,
sir.
in the
Actually,
presence
they are
of
very happy.
okay, in the presence of all this YouTube audience, I want to congratulate more and more to his parents, and definitely because of their hard work and their dedication, what he is now today. Okay, and he became a source of inspiration to many students who are watching today, and maybe indirectly he will be helpful for many students to achieve something. Okay, this is definitely a great achievements. So for his parents, whoever watching, and definitely I congratulate from bottom of my heart. Definitely, it's a great success for you on behalf of your child. Yeah, you can tell me. So what they are
Yes,
feeling.
sir. Actually, my parents are, sir. They are very much elated by knowing about my results, sir. I cannot tell about the happiness. It's speechless, sir. They are very much happy after I have told them that I have secured AR5. And actually, sir, I need to thank my parents and my sister a lot, sir. During my preparation, some days I feel low, but they have motivated me continuously during my preparation, sir. They have, because of the support, continuous guidance and support only, I think I was able to achieve this AR5 in this examination, sir, today.
Okay, Sally, really great. Anytime the most common or most consistently the people who support you will be definitely you will be supporting yourself that undoubtedly, and other than you, your friends, parents, and your teachers, these are the main people in the society
Yes,
who
sir.
will definitely help you all the time. If you get their support, you'll be lucky enough. That is what makes Sai today to achieve this A5. Have you ever dreamed of top 10 rank? Because I feel that okay, many people will achieve the ranks and many people will achieve the jobs, all those things fine. But top 10 is always something, a different kind of feeling. That is a single digit rank. Have you ever thought of this single digit rank during your BTech or any of your preparation journey? Have you ever dream of this top 10?
Sir, everyone used to have a dream that he wants to be in top 10, but
Yeah.
I did not. I did actually, to be frank, sir, I did not expect that I will be in top 10 in the final result, sir. I expected that I will be getting a selection in this year examination, but top 10 is completely unexpected for me, sir.
Okay, great. So finally, uh, the moment you watch your results, Jaisa, you have checked the website and checking your number. Okay, what's your feeling? Because people should feel this excitement and happiness what they are going to face in the next year. So that might be a driving motivation for their preparation. That is the reason I'm asking all these questions. So can you tell me what's your feeling immediately after seeing? जैसा मैंने मेरा गेट रैंक देखा और some I feel I have done something. I just hit the wall beside that and I feel very happy. Like that, how you felt immediately after checking your result?
Sir, actually, the results came yesterday, sir. And actually, yesterday I was traveling after the summit, Unacademy summit. I have been traveling all the way from Delhi to my workplace, and I have just landed the flight, and I have taken a bus to reach my workplace. And when I was traveling in my bus, I have received an SMS from one of my friends saying that yes, the results have been arrived. And after
Okay.
that, I have went to the website and I have downloaded it, and I have opened the PDF, but my hands are shaking when I was opening the PDF that what will happen. And seeing the first page itself, sir, I think the vacancies for the general have been initially they have published some 26 or 30 vacancies for general for electrical, and they have in the final list they have published only 20 vacancies for general. So I thought that I am very much. I got very much tensed that whether I will be selected or not. Then slowly I have checked by scrolling the pages, and finally when I reached the electrical page, I was able to see in the top fifth name only I can see about my name, sir. At that moment, my hands are shaking like anything, and I was unable to even believe my eyes. I have again cross-checked with it, and then I got very much elated, sir.
Okay, great. Anybody is near with
And
you at
as I
the
was
time?
in bus, I was unable to scream a lot. Yes, sir.
Okay, you are in bus alone, right? So to whom you shared it first? Obviously, maybe your parents.
Sir, I have I have called to my parents and I have told them first, sir.
Okay, okay, great. Fine. So that's all what I want to bring to you guys. He will be a source of inspiration for you. So आप लोग तो बहुत reasons बोलते हैं अरे सर मैं कॉलेज जा रहा हूँ कुछ भी जा रहा हूँ ये तो मॉर्निंग सुबह से टाइम बताओ एक बार 8:30 to 5:30 राइट ऑलमोस्ट ऑफिस का टाइम
8:30 to almost 6 in the evening, sir.
8:30 to 6 in
goes
the
up to.
evening he used to go to office here. Monthly he is getting a handsome salary in hand. He can be relaxed and he can enjoy his life. He has not never taken that condition in his mind. So आने के बाद भी थोड़ा सा 1 घंटे half an hour rest लेके again he started his preparation every day evening 2 hours morning 2 hours consistently and weekends पे 6 घंटे 8 घंटे prepare करके he is able to do this guys. सो कंसिस्टेंसी की इंपॉर्टेंस एंड आपके रीजन हमेशा होते हैं सर मैं कॉलेज जा रहा हूँ कॉलेज में मिड एग्जाम हो रहा है एंड एग्जाम हो रहा है सर कॉलेज में फेस्ट हो रहा है सर कॉलेज में सुबह से शाम तक बहुत हेक्टिक है सर ये सभी आप अभी तो छोड़ दो यार you can see the live example is with you guys so take this as a source of motivation what happened here I think Sai you are there okay. So take this as a source of motivation and continuously continue your preparation, guys. Irrespective of your situations, if you plan properly and
Yes,
execute
sir.
it, you will definitely able to succeed. Sai, any last words for our learners? You want to say something? Finally, you can give your inputs. Okay, Sai?
Sir, actually, we need to be positive. Sir,
Yeah.
we need to be positive, confident about ourselves, sir, in the ESE preparation. As this is a 3-stage process, sir. Seriously, we need to motivate ourselves, and we need to be confident about ourselves. We need to believe in ourselves, sir, to achieve the success in this examination. And
Okay.
also, consistent performance and consistent practice is needed, sir.
Very good. Right. Fine. So that's all about the Sai. Sai, all the best. I hope you achieve many success in your future. Definitely, you'll be getting your CP, EW, whatever you are aiming for this particular service. Central Power Engineering
Yes,
Services,
sir.
you are aiming CPES. You will be getting it undoubtedly,
Yes, sir.
and definitely you will be succeeding in that also. So don't stop your success. Continue it over again and again and make it possible. Okay. So you must stand
Okay, sir.
as a
Thank you,
source
sir.
of inspiration for many, many, many students. All the very best. Thank you, Sai. Thanks for your presence.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You can leave, Sai. Thanks for your time.
Thank
Okay. So guys, that is about interview with Sai. So let's have some inputs regarding Unacademy Plus subscription, guys. So these are the prices only for 2 days. So don't miss this, guys. आप मेरा code use करो Shankar 10. You will be getting 10% discount. And see here, these are the prices for Iconic. And this is only for 2 days, guys. इसके बाद April 1st से आपका prices तो increase हो रहा है. आप एक clever decision लेना चाहे तो ले लो, Unacademy Plus पे preparation शुरू करो. This is the most trustable subscription right now and most trustable source of your preparation. After seeing the results, you might be knowing that. And for Unacademy 1 year plus subscription, it is as low as 26,285 today and up to 31st. After 31st, from April 1st, it is going to rise up to 35,695. All you need to do is just apply the code Shankar10. You will be getting for this particular price. Okay, fine. So notes is also now available, which you can access from any place, anywhere. And these are our toppers. We can congratulate next year. I want to see you people as our toppers. And this is the light subscription for what we call this one test series. And this is the new batch going to start on 30th March. That is by Uma Sir, engineering maths for the droppers batch, and also resilience batch. Okay. And also these are the things for Unacademy Iconic users where you get personalized coaching with the one-to-one guidance and study planner sessions, study booster sessions, and community learning will be getting priority ask it out and many features, whatever available with the Plus. So new batch on digital circuits, new subject, new initiative from my side for the Plus users also started on 30th March from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. If you start your preparation for the GATE, this is the right subject to start your preparation, guys. Subscribe to Unacademy using the code Shankar10 and start your preparation. So thank you for your time. All the very best, guys. I want many of people to take this as a source of inspiration and prepare well and make it possible in the next year. Thank you. Thank you very much.